So guys, got a big box of parts and some hefty bills later. We can start the rebuild. Plan is to sand it all back, prime it all, and repaint it basically, prime it. Otherwise I've got extra parts coming, being the headlight bezels and assemblies and retaining clips and all the other bits, the water tanks, the horn, all on its way. Time to start some work. So light's starting to fade, it's 6 o'clock or something like that. Been busy filming other things, but progress on the bonnet, as you can see here, sanded most of the burnt off of the top side at least. Going to end up maybe just repainting the entire bonnet, sand most of it off, paint the entire thing. Blue is kind of hard to get from the shop, so we might just go black. We'll see. This is Dad. Say hi to Dad. What's up, Dad?
Hey Dad. Hey Jono.
Yep.
Take two. Hey Jono.
Hey Dad. Well, I've been sanding the bonnet. Dad's been frantically working away on the wiring loom, the headlight loom. Got through half of it so far, smashing it out. Difficult parts coming, where all the melted stuff turns into more stuff. But progress is progress, and it's moving smoothly. No hiccups yet. That's tomorrow's job. Wait, are you recording? Oh, that's great. Sanded. Back. Well, sanded back. About to start the priming. Actually, we've already started the priming. Unsure about the top coat yet. Maybe thinking of black because it's really easy. I'm just going to try and match the paint code. But Dad's looking into trying to find the match the paint code, so we'll see how that goes. Otherwise, it is a slow process of painting this thing. See how it goes.